Hello everyone, today we are going to show you guys about the hotkey uses for the control system. The hotkeys showing up there are pretty much the quick setup for the karting conditions. The X is karting speed, Y is manual speed, N is the curve setting, F is different moving style for the manual mode, G is the step moving distance, M is the karting mode. If we press X, we can set up the speed here, and then press enter, speed change. And if we press Y, this manual speed setup, press enter to change. We press shift N to set up the curve, let's say 1.5, press enter, it's change. And F is about the moving styles. G is the step moving distance, we can set up 200. Press enter. For M, the karting mode, press shift M to change. Right now it's demo run. Shift M, flame karting mode. Shift M, plasma karting mode. That's all for today, guys. If you want to know more information about CNC karting machine, click top to follow us.